Ahead of the ADC Village Committee elections, an important meeting of the Chief Minister was held at the State BJP office. Apart from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, present at the meeting included State BJP President Rajib Bhattacharjee, former MP Rebati Mohan Tripura, Vice President Papia Datta, Tapas Bhattacharjee, State BJP General Secretary Bipin, Debbarma and others. In an interview, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said that in today's meeting, along with organizational matters, the local body elections and the ADC Village Committee elections were discussed. The issue of further strengthening the organization was also discussed today. Apart from organizational matters of the State BJP, the ADC Village Committee elections and the elections in the local municipal and urban areas was discussed in detail.
আগামী দিন আমাদের লোকাল বডির ইলেকশন আছে, তাছাড়া এডিসিরও ইলেকশন আছে, সেই সব বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা আছে। না এইসব বিষয়ে না, আমাদের সাংগঠনিক যে আরো যাতে স্ট্রেংথেনিং করা যায় সেই বিষয়ে আলোচনা হবে। না এখানে কি করে দলীয় সভাপতি কেন?
Apart from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, present at the meeting included State BJP President Rajib Bhattacharjee, State BJP General Secretary Amir Rashid, former MP Rebati Mohan Tripura, Vice President Papia Datta, Tapas Bhattacharjee, BJP State Secretary Bipin Debbarma, Mayor Deepak Majumdar, Mimi Majumdar, MLA Bhagwan Chandra Jas, MLA Rampadar Jamatia and others. Reported by Amir from Agatla, Chini Khorang.